Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. We're gonna rinse it outside with some cold water, and of course we'll move it inside with the warm and start to get it unbanded. For now, we're just rinsing it out here. Sorry for the lack of pace and maybe even a little bit of lack of dialogue. I'm gonna try to keep the show rolling for you. While I do have a chance to talk to you though, since I want to get this one good and washed out, these got to sit outside for about 3 days drying out, so I didn't exactly wash the last one probably as good as I should have, so I had to do some more rinsing afterwards, and I want to get this one a little bit better outside, as good as I can. It is wound pretty tight. But like I was saying, please put in the comments below anything you'd like to see next. It doesn't even just have to be tie-dye. It can literally be anything. If you want to see us working on something, if you want to see us do a certain kind of tie-dye, if you want to see us try some other like craft style or art projects, craft projects, whatever. I'm not the artist. My wife is the artist. The only artistic ability I really possess is of the musical nature. I'm not the drawer. Putting it on paper is not my thing, unless we're talking about words or music. I cannot draw a good picture to save my life. But I would like to learn. So if y'all want to see me bumble through trying to learn how to become a better artist, let me know. It's all about learning new things out here, proving ourselves. So, you know, you're not going to be good at everything you try, and the things that you might become the best at, you might not be good at the first time you try them. So, it's just something I've learned through life. You never really know, but if you really want to do something, you'll end up doing it to some degree. You know, you might really want to play basketball, you might not ever make it to the NBA, but I bet you could go pretty far trying to play basketball. Maybe even end up, you know, playing in some little league somewhere, who knows. Even if you didn't have the you know, stature or whatever else you might need to get into the league. Point being is, anything you really want in life, you can have it to some degree. You might not get the version of it that you want, but you'll get a version of it. And if all you like is really playing basketball, you don't care if you play in the NBA. You just want to play basketball. I think that's the difference. You know, you can't want to be in something or be this or be that. All you can do is pick something you like and do it to the best of your abilities. And if you do that, your success and for that matter, even some degree of money will come. You will eventually get paid something for it. I'm not saying you're going to break the bank. I'm not saying you're going to be rich. But you can almost make a living doing anything you are truly passionate about in America. And that is a beautiful thing, people. Probably won't always be that way. But has been for a little while and currently still is right now. Alright. Enough existential talk for you here. Let's move this thing on inside. To the inside. I'm just gonna go quick with this one. Excuse me, Floof. Excuse me, Floof. Alrighty, got him inside now with some warm water. Rinse out just a little bit from the outside, and then we'll start to get him unbanded. Now let's just go for it. Let's go ahead and get it unbanded. wanted to start with the collar, but we'll start with the other end. I don't want to reveal the best part first. Okay. He's pleated kind of tight too in some areas, so I imagine there will be a lot trapped in that we need to get out. Might as well just go ahead and get it unbent. It's not like we're gonna see it yet anyways, but you know. I like to save the best for last. Gives you something to work with. Looks like I got that part pretty good. About perfect. I hope the rest of it turns out that good. I hope it didn't get too muddy. That's the only thing I'm worried about. I might have got a part of it a little bit too saturated. But hey, you live and you learn. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, cool. Look at that. That's not too bad. I think I can work with that. Yeah. Not too shabby. I think it'll look great when it comes out. Not bad at all. I'm going to try to shoot it in there again. Let's see what we can do. You think I should shoot it again, Miss Fluffers? And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, look at that. That's a pretty cool pattern. Good pleats. Look at that. All from just 3 colors of dye. Even look at that on the sleeve. Like, that's a killer gradient there. Wow. Not too bad. Interesting, unique pattern. Something a little different, you know. Just wanted to try something new. And I kind of like it. But you let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.